Hi, welcome back to my channel and Bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be showing you how to monetize your Facebook group, how to make money using your Facebook group. But the question is, does Facebook actually monetize Facebook groups like Facebook page? Just stay tuned. By the end of this video, I'll be showing you and I will also be answering that question whether Facebook monetize Facebook groups like Facebook page. So if today is your first time on visiting my channel Bizyjoe.com, please do wait to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime I upload an awesome video like this. So and in Bizyjoe technology, as you can see, we have some great services ranging from web design, app design, SMM, graphic design, and so a lot of them. So you can get in touch with us for any of these digital services above, and we also give 20% commission on any referral that you brought to us. And also in our YouTube channel, we have some great videos that is good for your business. So you can check out some of our videos here and watch and share with your friends. So let's get started. So how to monetize your Facebook group? So Facebook group is different from Facebook page. So Facebook group is just a group of members or users of common interests. So you can actually create a Facebook group. I already have a video on my channel on how to create a Facebook group. I have a video on how to create a Facebook group. So you can see all this video, how to create this particular video, how to create a Facebook group. If you want to create a Facebook group, then how to grow your Facebook group. You watch this video, how to create and get like 1 million Facebook members. So I've actually grown so many Facebook group. So then how do you actually make money using this Facebook group? We all know that, or if you don't know, audience is the key. In the internet world, audience is the key. Mark Zuckerberg is making a whole lot of money from Facebook because Facebook has much audience. Elon Musk is making money from Twitter because Twitter has audience, and so on. So audience is the key. Once you are able to gather people of common interests in any particular place, in any particular region, that's why some of the church are using that for business. So do you understand? If you can able to gather people in a place, you can now monetize them. You can start showing ads on those people. So once you're able to gather those audience in a particular place, then you will be rich forever. So and Facebook group is one way to do that. So the first way to make money using your Facebook group is through advertisement. Is through advertisement. So people pays group admin. They pay you to post on your group. You understand? Because once you have a very big group on Facebook, as you can see, let me show you one of my group. So, like in this particular Facebook group, I think I have 700k plus members there. So, like this particular post, let me check one of my posts. There's a post that I made. There's a post that's on the feature that somebody actually paid me. He paid me, and they paid in dollars actually. So they paid in dollars for me to promote or advertise their product depending on the kind of group that you have. If you have football group, betting company, they will pay you. Why are they paying? Why are they not even going promoting it through Facebook? They are paying you because it's cheaper. Like it is cheaper to meet admins of groups. Then you pay them any amount of money. It's a deal. You negotiate with them. Any amount you will agreed on, then you pay to that person. Then that person will now post on what he's doing is just a post. He will now post on that particular group. You understand? So let me know when I can see that particular. Okay, so see the particular post. This is the post I'm looking for. So this particular post I made it on 19th of October. So this particular company is a football streaming app. So this particular guy, they paid for adverts. So this is how you still get adverts from time to time, depending. It can come in so many ways, depending on your particular group. So apart from adverts, the other way to make money is through renting. Bloggers rent Facebook group to reach out to their audience. You understand? So once you're a Facebook owner, bloggers will always, you're not even looking for them, they will be the one to look for you, because most of them promote their blog content through Facebook. So they are going to reach out to you. Hi guy, I'm a blogger, I want to rent your group. So they are renting the way the way you pay house rent. Then bloggers will also rent your group depending on your amount. Maybe sometimes depending on how big your group is and how active that particular group is. Then you can pay ranging from 10,000 to even 30 to 40,000 per month. Do you understand? If it's very active group, some people charge as much as 40,000 per month. So and some people pay like 1 year rent, even 6 months rent. So the way you can actually build a house online on Facebook and start collecting rent. So even on my own Facebook group, I have more than, let me say, 6 or 7 bloggers that are posting on that particular page. Some of them I have a deal with them. I exchange groups with them. Then some they rent my group, so they pay me every month. They pay for rent. So that is another way. Then the last way is by selling the group. People buy groups, businesses buy group, bloggers buy group. It takes time to grow your group. So some we like to buy already made group. So you come, like as of last week, as of last week, I have somebody sell for about a million plus member group, Chelsea group. So the price was 300K. He sold it for 300K. So you can, if you have any Facebook group, you can even contact me. If I'm not buying, I'll help you and find somebody that will actually buy your Facebook group. So that's that actually. So that's the way you can make money using your Facebook group. And another thing is that Facebook is not actually monetizing group. You cannot monetize your Facebook group if you are a Facebook owner. You understand? And Facebook, unlike Facebook page that you can monetize your Facebook page, your Facebook group you cannot monetize. You can only make money through these ways, 3 ways I've actually discussed here. So if you find any usefulness in this particular video, please do well to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. So thanks and have a nice day.